Hello, welcome to a 90-second or less camera intro. This time it's my Wista 45DXii Rosewood camera. So this is a folding 5x4 camera which opens up like so, and then I can put my lens in there. So in my kit I have my camera, I have a little loop for focusing with, of course cable release, my Lightmeter. I've used this for years. It's a Polaris Dual 5, and then inside my dark cloth wrapped up I have my lenses. So I'll keep two lenses in here. I have a 90mm super angle lens. This is my wide angle lens, and I use these little adapters screwed in to make it easier when threading the cable release. And then I have a rod and stock 150mm lens, and which is equivalent to a 50mm. This is my standard lens, as it were. And then in the bag I have enough room to have my dark slides down the side. These are loaded up at the moment with Fomapan 200. And then I have a 6/7 back which slots into the ground glass of the camera. Absolutely lovely kit. Thank you for watching.